Bad weather caused a fairly severe dust storm to hit several areas in Wadi Ad-Dawasir, Saudi Arabia last weekend. It was reported that the impact of the thick dust storm significantly reduced visibility and obscured the horizon. The National Meteorology Center, Hussein Al-Qahtani, said that the dust storm that hit Wadi Al-Dawasir was caused by airflow from an active thunderstorm between the Bisha and Wadi Ad-Dawasir regions. It was reported that the wind speed reached 28 knots, about 52 km per hour, according to the monitoring station at Wadi Al-Dawasir Airport, and lasted for about an hour. Several videos circulating on social media showed several areas hit by extreme storms last Sunday.
Mahapon po sa lahat. Ang Saudi ngayon ay nagsa-sunstorm sa kasalukuyan. Pinakita mo! Halos hindi na...
The kingdom issued a warning to residents to avoid leaving their homes unless necessary and to wear masks to protect themselves from the effects of dust on the respiratory system. Not only that, the weather forecast also predicts that thunderstorms, hail and strong winds will continue in the eastern province, Riyadh, Najran, Jazan, Asir, Al-Baha and Makkah, with the possibility of fog. Then a warning of strong winds accompanied by dust has also been predicted in Qasim, Medina and Tabuk.
Mahapon po sa lahat. Ang Saudi ngayon ay nagsa-sunstorm sa kasalukuyan. Pinakita mo!